Good day, traders. Divergence traders. Divergence is the name and divergence is the game. Here we go. It's Thursday. We had a little chop shop here today, like usual. All I can tell you, traders, is if you don't want to get killed and chopped up, don't trade the Nasdaq. If you don't want to get killed and chopped up, don't trade the Nasdaq. Don't trade the. You can sometimes get away with the Dow, but it'll chop you up too. It's all done by design, people, by design. Same with the S&P 500. It'll chop you up like, they're chopping up some beef tenderloin to make a stir fry. It'll chop you up. See it at the screen? Look at it. Chop, chop, chop. Yeah, but I show it because there's people who like to see action. And this is action. Down 65 points, and then up 87 points, and then back down 65 points. Can you get in on that on the right time? I don't know. It's not easy. All right. Let's look for some setups now, folks. Right up here, we have a high and a higher high. Yeah, we do. And we got to put our arrow on. So, you would have gone in short right here at exactly 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Eastern Standard Time, your stop would have been around 20 points up here. See, 20 points. Did we get 20 points? Yeah, there's 24. And there's 40. So what's that? That's 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Then we have the news spike, I believe. Is that 15:30? It is. There was some news. And then it chopped, and then it went back up a little bit. And then we're thinking, well, was there a trade here? Because right here at 16:30 is when the stock market opened. And it's exactly at the time you're supposed to, the trade I'm about to show you, right here, high and higher highs up there, okay? And we got a high and a lower high, like right there. See that? Boom, shakalak, and boom. So the entry would have been to sell right exactly on the open, okay? Because they smacked this candle down and it closed below the 2 moving averages and the 5 crossed below the 7. This dotted white line is the 5. See? Moving average 5. And the purple one, I don't know why I got purple on there, but I do. I guess because I'm colorblind. I have problems seeing these moving averages sometimes. And this is the 7. 5 and 7 EMA. So if you would have got short right there in the open, your stop would have been around, if you wanted to be a little safer, you could put it up here, 32 pips, points. And went down 40. Got your 1-to-1. Now, was there a trade up here again? Oh yeah, there was. It was chopping up and down, but there was trades. Let me show ya. Okay, right there. I just noticed it now. Okay, boom, shakalaka. And right in here, on the opening of this candle, if you would have got long right there, it went against, 27 points. Because your stop, your stop would have been 47 points. No. Stop here. 27 point stop. There's your 27 points. You would have got it. So you had a sell before the chop action. Another sell was a 2-to-1 winner. And a buy was a 1-to-1 winner. And then since then, there's nothing. There's nothing up here in this area right here. I'm shooting the video a little bit early today because All the setups are done now. They're over. Well, in my eyes, anyway. There could be another one somewhere over here later today, but as for the morning, they're over. So let's look at the US 30, which is the Dow, okay? There's one setup, okay? It's right here. Right from this blue one, right there, okay? Right there, and to me, okay, for most people, this would be scary as doo-doo. We had this big, this is the opening candle right here, this big candle, and it came down 173 points, okay? So let me tell you, after it came down 173 points, would you want to sell it down here? No. Not this freaking, no. So the only thing you could do is wait for a high closing candle near the high, which is this next one, this blue candle that closed up there. And when it closed and this one opened, see that? There's like one little tick of drawdown. You would have sold it right there. Your stop would have been right there. 76 points. Did it go down 76 points? Oh yeah, it went down 95, man. Actually, almost 100. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Oh, I need some water. Now we have a double bottom here, right at the 32,700 level. See that over here? See how important these levels are? See how it came down and give it a kiss and went right back up again. Came down again and touched the line and went back up. And again. And then she went up. Look at that craziness, huh? Yeah, man. Yes, indeed. Oh. But guess what? There's no trade here. It's doing the opposite of what we wanted to do. We wanted it to have a low here and a higher low up here. So we got the double bottom, and we would have, you know, like the lower thing like this. We don't have that. We have the opposite. So there's no divergence to buy in here, ladies and gentlemen. But if you're going to trade the 7 and the 5 cross up, as they call it, I call it a cross up. Oh, having a little bit of hard time breathing today. Sorry. I apologize. I've had 3 strokes. What do you want from me, right? Okay. So, and I have to, oh no, I don't want to delete the Osma. There we go. So, anyway, there was a nice dip right here to buy. Up it goes. Nice dip right here, and up it goes. In an uptrend, we buy the close of lower candles. In an uptrend. In a downtrend, we sell the high of higher closing candles. See right there? La-di-da. I showed you guys that before. For those of you who keep watching and listening. Okay, let's look at the S&P 500. Oh, we got the VWAP here, and yeah. Whoa, that's ugly. Oh my God. Is there even a trade here? There is. There is, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you. It's right here. Wow, am I tired today? I need to go for a sleep. Okay, right here. It's right here. Wow, I got really tired all of a sudden. Oh, shit. Okay. You would have got in just like the Dow. Yeah, just like the Dow. No, actually like the NASDAQ. Yeah, the NASDAQ, right on the open, you got to sell, right? Same thing on the S&P. Right on the opening of the S&P of the stock market, right here, this is where you would have sold. You would have put your stop just above the pivot, 3.5 points, and it went down 12 points. And we got low and lower lows here, but guess what? This needs to be higher over here than this, and it's not. It's lower. There is no trade to buy in here or here. Maybe on a 1 minute time frame, which we're not really covering these days. Okay. Yeah, look at the divergence here, eh? Holy smackers. Let me just show you on the 1 minute. 1 minute would have been a beautiful thing to trade. We got low and lower low. Right here to right here. And you would have got long exactly right there. Went up 15 points. Then, oh, we even had a trade up here. High and higher high. Oh, she's shooting up now, huh? And right here, low and lower low. And you would have sold right on the opening of this candle. See? Went down 8 points. Then we had one more trade. Look at this, in the 1 minute. Divergence is everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. It's an amazing, amazing. It's just amazing. I'm still blown away by it every day. I just am. I can't help it. It's just so crazy accurate. So good. So good, man. Right there. You would have got long on this last trade right there. And up it goes. 16 points. Look at that beautifulness. Woo! And that, and here, and that, and I can't talk. Right here, right here. So if you go like this, like that, and like this, see? And you would have got short right in here, and down it went, see? Divergence right here. Sell, and buy, and sell, and buy. You see all that divergence, ladies and gentlemen? You tell me, Jack, if this doesn't fucking work. It works, man. Trade it, man. Learn it, man. You'll make money. You want to make money? Isn't that what you're here for? Trade divergence, man. Don't trade no VWAP or fair value. Forget that. Trade what the pros trade, and this is what they trade right here. Okay, let's take a look at oil. Oh, oil's shooting back up again. Okay. So we got a low and lower low, but no divergence to buy here. And there's no divergence right here to sell. And after I just went on and on how good divergence is, there's no freaking divergence on this chart that I can see. There isn't. I don't see it. Pound yen. Oh, pound yen looking a little sloppy. Okay. High and higher high. That's the news, eh? Yeah. Oh, no, 15 minutes before the news. It's spiked. Come on. So right here to right there. See? Right there, right there. You would have sold right here. It was sold right here at 8:30 news. If you were going to take this trade, 25 pips, and it went down 50 basically. Is there divergence down here? Oh yeah, there is. Doesn't look like it. It's very hard to spot it. Right here. See that? Isn't that crazy, eh? And the trade entry was right there. Got long there. Your stop would have been way down there, 43 points. It's gone up 37 so far. Okay, let's take a look at the euro yen. Yeah, same trade down here off the spike. Double top right up here. Do you see it? Do you see it? We can take it from here too. We can go like this. High and higher highs. And right there. And here we go. Sell right here. Stop would have been 16 pips on the euro yen. There's your 16 pips right there. Now let me show you this. Now this is something very difficult. I put a little mark here to remind me. I've found trades like this not very often. They're very difficult to find. But you can see on the chart, look, it's hidden divergence, right? So anyway, from here to here. And from this little doodah here, this little red doodah, right down like that. You see that? Right there and right there. That is hard to see hidden divergence. Even though most people can never see this setup because there's no blue. Usually you got to have some blue. A little doodah here that's blue, or like 2 or 3 bars that are blue. You know what I mean, right? To see this setup. But I see it because I just see them so easily now after looking at the charts looking for divergence for like 12 years. I can see it I can see it in my sleep, is what I'm trying to say. And there was, not that I'm being conceited or anything. I'm well, how would you say? I have permission, trust me, to put in that much screen time. I can brag about it all I want because it has paid off for me. Okay, it has paid off. What's really crazy about trading, it's patience and discipline. That's like, and psychology. That's like 90% of trading. The rest is just trade the setup. Don't trade anything else, trade the setup. Here's the setup, sell right here. Okay, down it goes. Here's the setup, sell right here, down it goes. Okay, trade the setup. Right here you buy it, up it goes. That's it. That's all. Marianne. Let's look at gold now. Oh, gold, gold, gold. Yes, we did. We had. Just like that. Or you could draw it across and call it like a 7x top, whatever. And write down like this. Get that arrow on there, and you would have sold it right there. Boom. Stop would have been about 27 points. This is gold. Went down 70 points. 70 points, ladies and gentlemen. And there's another trade. There's another one right here to right there. Right there to right there. And we got to get that arrow on there, right there. So you would have bought right there. Your stop would have been about 50 points. Yeah, you already got it right up to here. If you held on, the max potential was 130 plus points. Pound dollar, the last thing we're going to look at today. Okay, is there divergence? There is. There is. Right here. See that? Right to that pullback. There to there. We got in there. There's another sell here. I'm just going to put them all on the chart here. And this one to buy. Right? Right. Okay, this first one, your stop would have been very, very, very little. Okay, 13 pips. There's a pound dollar, went up 45 points. Then we had basically a flat top here. We could call it a flat top. We'd have got short right here. Stop would have been 14 points. And you got your 14 points. Okay, and then we had this here. I put it anywhere. Really needs to go to there. Right on top of my arrow. There. And you would have got long there. Right there. We got long here. Went up 50 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Stop would have been 31. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio on the pound dollar. Yes, indeed. Yeah, like I said, if you want to get chopped up, trade the NASDAQ, trade the Dow, trade the S&P. If you want to get in trades that trend more so and they're not so volatile and crazy, chopping up and down and trying to steal your money, then you'll trade currency pairs. And the ones that are, you know, good to trade today is like the pound yen, euro yen, pound dollar, gold. Yeah, maybe, but gold is very risky. And it doesn't have, it's not so divergent friendly as other currencies are, okay? So let's just take a look for fun on the DAX. Oh, what do we have on the DAX? The DAX, ladies and gentlemen, the DAX. Oh, we have trades. We do. Now, right here, high and higher high. And it's not really good here. Like, I wouldn't even say that's a good entry point because it's so tight here, the two moving averages. You like to see, like over here, you see the gap between the two MAs? Yeah. That's where you want to see it. That's where you want to sell, and down it goes. 90 points. And what do we have down here? What do we have? First, we have a trade right here. Let's look at it now. Woo! Right there. Woo! Woo-wee. Woo-wee. Golly gee, beeve. Golly gee. Yes. Have a sell right there. Stop was 20 points. Went down 25. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Now, is there one more trade? Yeah, we have a low and a lower low. We do. Right there like that. Anyway, not that I need to mention this today, but hold on a sec. Stop is 32 points, and it went up 76. No, would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Anyway, just wanted to say, not that I have to say mention this, but it is my birthday today. Happy birthday, Jason. Happy birthday. I'm freaking 59 years old today. Very old, man, getting very old. Soon I'm going to leave this planet and go up and see my mom. Okay, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And let the divergence be with you. Like the Force is with Star Wars. Let the Force be with you. Let me tell you, if you take the time to learn these setups, and it's not that hard, okay? You'll be so glad you did. You'll turn from maybe a break-even trader or even a losing trader to a winning trader. But anyway, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, nothing like that. I'm just saying what I'm saying. Okay, these are all in the past, these setups anyway, so I'm just showing you how to find them, how to trade them, and where to put your stop, and how to measure out your 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 risk loss ratio. And that's it. Okay, divergence traders. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'm saying too many fucking words. Good luck and good trading. If it's anybody else's birthday today watching, happy birthday. Happy birthday.